Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing power and software so the process is smooth. Charge the case and earbuds to at least half, and make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS with Bluetooth toggled on. Once done, open the Beats Fit Pro case and hold it close to your phone. The setup animation should appear. If it doesn't, go to Settings Bluetooth and look for Beats Fit Pro under Other Devices. You're initiating the secure pairing handshake between devices. After the initial handshake, you must authorize permissions and configure core features. Tap the setup card or choose Beats Fit Pro from Bluetooth. Accept prompts for notifications and microphone access so calls and features work. Make sure you set up noise control and link Siri or audio sharing if desired, because these choices affect battery and behavior. Once the phone shows connected, check Settings Bluetooth to confirm the device name and audio routing. If you use multiple Apple ID, ensure iCloud Sync is enabled for automatic switching. To finish, refine fit and verify features so performance is optimal. You should adjust ear tips and test active noise cancellation and transparency to confirm seal and balance. Play audio and check microphone on a test call. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by holding the system button about 15 seconds until LEDs flash, then repeat pairing. Also check firmware updates in the Beats or iPhone settings, and restart your phone if things still misbehave. This clears Bluetooth cache and often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.